In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Google Gemini in Chrome. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in on how you can connect with Google Gemini through your Chrome browser, and I'll guide you through each step in a simple and practical way. First things first, you'll want to make sure you have Google Chrome installed on your computer. It's a widely used web browser that's fast, reliable, and completely free. So go ahead and fire it up. If Chrome isn't already installed on your device, you can easily download it from the official Google website. Just type Google Chrome Download into your current search engine and you'll be all set. Once you have Google Chrome open, the next step is incredibly easy. Look towards the upper right corner of your browser window. There you should spot the Ask Gemini button. This feature is designed specifically to facilitate quick interactions with Google Gemini and can provide you with instant responses to your inquiries. So go ahead and click on that button. Now, if this is your first time using Google Gemini, you'll need to activate it. After clicking on the Ask Gemini button, a new window should pop up asking if you'd like to start a chat. Simply hit Start Chat to proceed. This step allows Google Gemini to set things up for a smooth chatting experience. If you've done this before, your chat should already be ready to go. Once activated, you can begin your conversation with Google Gemini. Don't hesitate to ask any questions you have in mind, whether they're about recommendations, information, or general inquiries. Google Gemini is designed to understand natural language, making it easier to communicate, just like chatting with a friend. You can type in your questions and hit Enter, and Gemini will respond promptly with helpful answers. Now, let's say you're interested in learning a little more about Google Gemini itself or exploring its features. While you chat, take a moment to explore any tools or suggestions that Gemini may offer based on your inquiries. This capability can help enhance your experience, allowing you to dig deeper into topics you are interested in. As you chat, don't forget to check out any multimedia elements that may accompany Google Gemini's responses. If it points you towards links, videos, or images, those resources can be incredibly useful. Just remember, the interaction is all in real time, so feel free to engage with Gemini as much as you would with a person. Before we wrap things up, it's important to keep in mind that like any technology, Google Gemini is an evolving tool. Check back regularly for updates or new features that may be rolled out. Google is continuously working to improve the functionality and have Google Gemini adapted to your needs better over time. And that's pretty much it. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to chat with Google Gemini directly in Chrome. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it and want to stay updated with more tips and tech tutorials, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and happy chatting with Google Gemini.